Dayanand Gupta sir has completed his BE in electronics from DKT in 1995 batch, and he's worked in different companies for more than 10 years, including different MNCs as technical head in industrial weighing and automation. And he's presently running a company of 2 crores from last 16 years. He's running the company Swastik System and Services Delhi, dealing in sales and services of industrial weighing products. It's great.
So these sessions are helpful for you guys to get the exposure. Thanks Buds Academy for arranging such sessions regularly. After completing my degree from DKT, I was without job for 6 months and then got a door-to-door sales job. You can think, after doing BTech BE in electronics, doing a door-to-door sales job of 3,000 rupees per month. I used to send 100 resumes per month in different industries for getting a technical job of my choice. So we have to be very punctual in getting anything what we got, opportunity we got. So we have to be very clear that we have to work hard, and whatever opportunity we got, we should work on that. I was struggling because of lack of experience and practical knowledge. So this was the reason that we need practical knowledge, technical knowledge in the college, what actually industry required, which I don't want you guys to suffer from. So try to be practical and be in touch with industries through any medium. So after this much of struggle, मैं हारा नहीं और मैंने एक साल में 4-5 जॉब चेंज की डिफरेंट फील्ड में. Ultimately, I got a job in Every India Limited. Every India is a weighing company, good reputation, as a graduate engineer trainee for 6,000 per month, which was my actual start. I never turned back after that. So it gives us a lesson that do whatever opportunity you get and move ahead. So in this company, I got expertise in weighing industry, which is still beneficial for me. So all expertise which I am using in last 21 years, I got from Every India Limited from my first company. So once you get initial start in a industry, you will be known by the company name, not by the college. So in this company, I got expertise. Even after so many hurdles in my life, I got a job in Mettler Toledo as a service head. Mettler Toledo is world's largest weighing company today also. So I worked as technical head, and after that I decided to go to open my own company. In 2005, I started my own company with no investment. I was not having even a single penny to start the company. So this company I started from my home. But at this time, I was having a huge experience of 10 years. Because in 10 years, I worked with different weighing companies, similar field. So you will also get such experience that same field you have to continue so that the same experience will benefit you. After struggling for 16 years, I finally succeed to make it a company of 2 crores from zero. This was my own experience, but you all may face different phases in your life and hope for the best. The final outcome is that not to lose hope and work hard, keep moving. Thanks a lot for your patience, and feel free to ask any question regarding same, any career related, industrial related experience which I can have, I can share with you. Please don't feel shy. Thanks.
Students, I request sir is ours. You can open up and whatever things in your mind, we appreciate if you speak on your own. Everyone should speak something to sir. You can ask your any doubts related to our course or related to beyond the course, any career related. You can ask your doubts to our sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
What's
sir.
your view about the current entrepreneurial scenario regarding the electronics industry? For example, if someone decides to start a startup in electronics, for example, manufacturing related idea, or let's say product regarding the 3D printing systems or something. So, what do you think that current scenario for this particular electronic industry is in India right now?
See, for electronics industry, I suggest you don't go immediately after college for the manufacturing or such type of electronics business. You should have the experience of 2-3 years in the similar field, so that you come to know how to purchase the thing, where is the market, what is the strategy for manufacturing, what is the technical things behind that. So you should have 2-3 years of experience in the similar field, whatever you are planning. And nowadays, if you talk about today's scenario, it is very bad, you can say, due to corona, due to our society things. So you can plan after 2-3 years, like you are in third year, I think now. So after degree also, so try to do a job in similar field for 2-3-4 years at least, so that you can have a good exposure of the similar items, purchasing, technical things, planning. So after that only you go for that business, because practical knowledge for same business you will get only from industry. So you work for industry, whatever package you receive, don't see the package. You just take an experience and you do the job, not for earning money, but for learning your business. So it's better to work hard and see that, but it's a good opportunity. See the market, see the outsourcing, marketing, planning, then you can start with that. No issue. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you earlier said, there is a huge gap between what industry wants and what is taught in the college.
Yes.
How can we fill this gap? I mean, should we do more and more industrial courses, or how can we fill this gap?
Yes, you are absolutely right. This gap should be filled. So, as I already told, Birds Academy and like such academy coaching centers are doing such type of things. You should join these regularly to see what industry is doing on, and you should be in touch with the industry persons which are having 10-15 years experience. Ask your college staff, teachers to visit you regularly in the industries. They must be having a 1 month, 2 month training in end of third year or second year or in between. The DKT must be doing that now, I think so. After degree also, if you are having don't get a good package, if you can join with a small firm which will give you exposure, and also keep on study magazines, the history of the companies, and yourself also you can plan a visit to the industry if you have some personal relations or through the college, so that will give you the better exposure of the industry. But that is the must. I already explained that CA, they are having full 1 year experience. The second year student of CA used to do the routine things which they have to do after degree. Same thing in MBBS, second year student starts checking the patients. Same way in 4-year diploma course in DKT, they have 1 year experience. So they all have a good exposure after degree. So, but in our course it is not there. So we have to develop it ourselves by visiting the industries and discussing things with the industrial persons.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Please feel free to ask your doubts. Yes, anyone else? We may not get this opportunity. Sir has taken his valuable time to interact with us from his busy schedule. So please utilize this opportunity. So if something is going in your mind, might be related industry, might be robotics field, or might be any other field, you are free to interact with our sir. Yes, anyone?
This
Don't
is the
feel
time
shy.
you can develop yourself, like interacting with the industrial persons. So you should keep making doubts and be with you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to say, but this question is not about directly about robotics. You
Yes.
are in business field, so I just have one question about business field.
Yes.
Just you said starting our own business, we just have
Yes.
to go for experience and go for
Yes.
industry to learn the things how it just work, the material where the material comes from and where it goes. We just have to first watch all the things and just go for business. But every
Yes.
time, sir, is it really necessary to go for that 3 4 years instead of that? Suppose I just go for directly start my business. Suppose it will get me up or down, but it will definitely give me just experience and automatically I will get everything learn about slowly. So is it might be good way to
Means you want
directly go in that?
just after yes. You want just after degree to start your business, right?
Yeah.
See, it is my personal experience. It will not help you because more the things, how to prepare the invoices, what is the competition, where is the sourcing, what is the market, how to handle the staff, your technical things. So all things you will learn in free from the industry. So I don't suggest you if you have your economy, you have financial strength. Still, I suggest go for an practical experience with an industry for 2 3 years at very small level. No issue. You may be financially competitive, but still, if you have experience of 2 3 years, you will learn how to start a company, how to run a company. So it is better to go for 2 3 year of experience in the similar field and work hard, not for the salary, but for the learning. Whatever things, even the company has given you responsibility of some specific area, try to move everywhere in the industry. Like if you are looking for production, go in the purchase also, go in the market also, discuss with them how they are doing sales, how they are doing purchase, what the other planning pupils, R&D pupils, what they are doing. If you are planning already, you have planned. It's good that you are planning now, and then you do a job for 2 3 years. You will learn accordingly and make a note of that. Make a note that how the things are going on. So that will be much better, because I have seen many pupils, many of my friends who cannot do better due to this, because they are like they can fail in accounts, they can fail in arranging stores. So you have a multiple experience before doing your business. Maybe you are expert in technical, but you may fail in different areas. So it's better to have a practical experience before doing your business, because it's very risky thing. You may have that time I have started without investment, but nowadays it's not possible. So that may risk your financial things also. So you should not take the risk of doing business directly from the college. You should have a practical experience. So I suggest go for a 2 3 year of practical experience with the industry and try to join small industry, because maximum exposure can be get in a small industry rather than a big multinational or big company, because they give you a specific responsibility. So you will not learn more on that. You will learn more in a smaller company. I think it's clear to you.
Yes, sir, but just frankly say, every time just really we go for that, but because suppose I just have to learn something about engineering, so many platforms are there, NPTEL or most of YouTube channels are there. They give all practical information. Absolutely, it's not actually practical, but they give you superb information. You can just say NPTEL like that. IIT platforms are there. So really I just invest that 3-4 years, and company are not actually giving me free knowledge. They are absolutely giving some work, and in that they are giving me salary. So it's not like
Agreed,
they
agreed.
are finding their advantage, and I will just go for my advantage like that.
Agreed. See, the YouTube and the social networking platforms, they have their own experience and then they share the experience on the YouTube. आपने सुना होगा कि अपने मरे ही सुरग दिखता है, तो आप उसके जो शेयर किए हुए एक्सपीरियंस से कितना लर्न कर लोगे। आज आपने आधा घंटा 1 घंटे का सेशन लिया या आपने 1 महीने का सेशन लिया, बजाय इसके इफ यू गो इन द इंडस्ट्री और प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस यू शुड टेक योर ओन, सो दैट इज मच बेटर देन टेकिंग नॉलेज फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब चैनल्स। अगर ऐसा होता तो आज हर कोई किसी भी फील्ड में मास्टर होता कि हम यूट्यूब चैनल या सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट से सीख के और अपना एक स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं किसी भी चीज, either website making or any other business. So it's better to have your own experience. What is the problem with doing experience? If you are expert enough, if you are smart enough, you can do for 1 year, but at least you should have your own experience rather than taking 1 hour class of a 1 year experience, because that person who is guiding you in the channels, he has his own experience, but he is sharing in short with 1 hour. Maybe some problems he is not able to, I cannot explain everything in 1 hour session. So there are so many things I have faced that you will face only when you do that. So it's better to do that. It's up to you, but it's better to go for at least 1 year. It's very required, and work hard, not for the salary, but for developing your own personality, your own knowledge, everything in every field, not only technical, every field. So it is my personal experience that you should work at least for 1 year before doing any business. If you have some base, you have studied everything, you can go for that also, but still it's better to do some practical things.
Okay sir, really thank you.
Thank you.
Just I will add one thing here. Sir has explained you properly what you want to do. As you talked about social media, so social media knowledge is only one-sided. Therefore sir is saying like this, so you have to go for practical experience. Social media knowledge is only one side. Another side of that knowledge is not covered. That is not presented. That is the one thing. And some research papers are there. If you want to go for that,
Case studies.
research papers. So sir, what he's saying, you should follow that. Okay, thank you sir. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Go ahead sir.
Anyone else?
Yes, anyone else? Go ahead. Yes, anyone? Time is limited with us. Please go ahead if you want to ask something to sir.
आप लोग अभी 3rd ईयर में हो तो अभी से आप प्लानिंग शुरू कर दो कि आगे हमें क्या करना है। आप केवल कंसंट्रेट ये मत करो कि हमें 3rd ईयर पास करना है, डिग्री ले लेनी है, बट जो भी प्लानिंग है मन में, बिजनेस करना है, अपना काम बिजनेस करना है, तो अभी से उसकी स्टडीज, उसकी केस स्टडीज, उससे रिलेटेड मटेरियल स्टार्ट कर दो, उसको इकट्ठा करना, जिससे कि आपको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज मिलेगा। तो इसलिए अभी से आप प्लान होने चाहिए। इट्स नॉट अर्ली टू डिस्कस अबाउट करियर थिंग्स। तो ये थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल हो और खुल के सामने आइए कि हाँ हमें क्या करना है, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, कैसे उसको हैंडल करें प्रॉब्लम्स को, और जब तक हम खुद नहीं करेंगे तब तक उसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा।